Hi, you're welcome to Extra Stars Academy. I am Esther, and today we'll be looking at the sounds of the letters of the English alphabet. The sounds of the letters of the English alphabet. There are 26 letters of the English alphabet, and each of these letters have their own unique sounds. And the sounds could occur at the beginning of the word, at the end, or at the middle of a word. By my right, we have the capital letters, or the uppercase letters, and by my left, we have the small letters of the lowercase letters. Good. And in red, we have the sounds the letters make. So we have the words, and we have the different transcriptions of the word, how to pronounce the word correctly. Let's get started. First, we have the letter A saying its main sound. And the main sound of letter A is A. A. Do well to look at the shape of my lips. A. 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 And we have the sound A in ants. 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 Can you say it? Ants. Bag. 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 And say it after me. Bag. One more time. Bag. Good. We also have the sound A in actor. 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 Can you say it? Actor. One more time. Actor. Good. And the next sound we have, the sound for letter B is B. 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 And we have the sound B in bed. 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 Baby. 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 And if you look at the word baby, we have two B in baby. Baby. Good. Like the word bubble, we also have three letter B, but we have just two sounds. So we have the BB here making one B sound. Bubble. Can you say it? Bubble. One more time. Bubble. Good. And next we have the letter C. The letter C says and letter C says in cats. 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 This is the hard sound of the letter C. Cats. Acts. Acts. Cats. Good. Coats. 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 We have it in accounts. Accounts. We have two C's also making one sound. Accounts. Can you say it? Account. Beautiful. Next we have the letter D. What's the sound for letter D? Yes, letter D says D. 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 And letter D says D in dog. 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 Good. We have the sound D in drum. 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 We also have the sound in bend. 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 I told you the sound can occur at the beginning, at the middle, or end of a word. Now in the word bend, where do we have the sound D? It's at the end. Good. We have the sound D at the end. Bend. Beautiful. have the letter E. What sound does letter E say? Letter E's main sound is E. 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 As in egg. 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 Neck. 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 Pen. 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 Beautiful. Hope you can hear the sounds in these words. Hope you can. If you can't, you need to pronounce it very well and audibly to yourself. You know and you hear the sound in each word. Let's move on. We have the letter F. Letter F main sound is. Letter F says as in frog. 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 Field. 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 And we can also have the sound at the end in a word like proof. 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 Lovely. Next we have letter G. And letter G says g, 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 g. And letter G says g in go, 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 g, oh, go, g, grass, 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 grass. Can you say it? Grass, grass. Beautiful. We also have letter G at the end of the word bag, 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 bag. Lovely. Next we have the letter H. I hope you're repeating after me. Good. Letter H. And letter H says we have it in house, 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 house. Some people will say house. When you say house, you're not pronouncing the letter H sound, so you need to be conscious. When you're making the sound in a word, at times you can skip it unknowingly, but the word is pronounced in the word house. So it's not house, it is house, house. As if you're aspirating. House, house. Even in the word honey, honey, not honey or honey. Honey, 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 honey. Perhaps, perhaps, perhaps. So you need to be conscious when you're making the sound. Perhaps. Good. Then we have the sound for letter I. The sound for letter I is I, I, I. In insects. Insects. Can you say it? Insects. Insects. So I don't want you to say insects. Don't say insects. It's insects. Say it again. Insects. Good. Igloo. Igloo. One more time. Igloo. Good. Pits. 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 Be conscious of the sound I, so you won't go E. The short sound for letter I is I, I. Good. Next we have the letter J. And letter J says G, 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 G. Beautiful. And we have it in jaw, jaw, J, O, jaw, jaw. Jump, jump. Are you saying it? Jump, jump. Rejects, rejects, rejects. Good. Then we have the letter K. Letter K says K, K, K. And it says in kites, 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 kettle, kettle, kettle. And we also have letter K at the end in the word book, 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 oak, book, book. Beautiful. Moving on now, we have letter L. And letter L says in the word lamb, 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 lamb. Yellow. We have two L's here. Say yellow, yellow. Below, below, below. Good. And next we have the letter M. M says So your lips are closed and air is coming out through the nostrils. It's a nasal sound. And we have it in milk, 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 mommy, 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 drum, drum, drum. Good. Next we have the letter N. N. And N says It's also a nasal sound because the tongue is pressed against the alveolar ridge and air escapes from the nose. And we have it in nose, 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 name, name, name. Dinner. You have two N here, N and N coming together to make one sound. So you have it in dinner, dinner, dinner. Good. I hope you're repeating after me because you must listen, mimic, and practice. Then we have the letter O. And letter O says good. Letter O says as in ostrich, ostrich, ostrich. Can you say it? Ostrich. One more time. Ostrich. Good. Orange, orange. Some people will say orange. It is not orange. It is orange. Say the sound orange. Say it one more time. Orange. Good. Then we have the letter O saying the sound in cuts, 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 cuts. Good.